Before I mentioned the relationship between the belly and your back, like the heart and the head, the pelvis and the earth. But sometimes it's difficult to really experience this abdomen so much. When you put a block underneath your sacrum, now we can focus on the bringing the navel in this posture. We got gravity working with us. And the navel really comes in and up, so we have the block, and it's very helpful. So watch, here we go. This as we inhale, and this all expands. As we exhale, we want this all to contract. And then holding the space at the bottom of the exhalation and pulling the navel up and in. Letting go. Hard to talk. So we're going to close the neck, pull the navel in and up. And as the navel comes in and up, wow, your pelvic floor goes whap. It goes whap. Think about it now. Here we go. Inhale, feels it open. Yeah. And now exhale. Closing the chin down. Navel pulling in. Now, navel in. Lift it up. Now, tighten the buttocks. I like to look up to the third eye at that point. This is Maha Mudra, or the Great Seal. Throat, abdomen, and pelvis. Inhale, open. Exhale, navel in. Hold the breath out and suck the gut up and in and tighten the buttocks. You can sit here all day and do it. Every time will get better. Inhale, feel it open. Exhale, start to close it down. Block out the throat. Navel in and then up and buttocks tight. Gaze to the third eye. How long can you hold the pelvis tight like that? No urinary incontinence. No swollen prostate. Goddamn, no hemorrhoids. This is what you want. You want the ground of being underneath you. One last time. This is very easy. It's easy and yet it's complicated. I've been doing this for decades, and I find that the smoothness, the evenness, the length, the fullness of the expression can be worked on for a lifetime. It's not like you get it all at once. You keep forever evening, smoothening, lengthening it out. Here we go. Inhale, feel the openness. Yes to life. Exhale, thank you, life. One more time. Inhale, yes to life. Exhale, thank you, life. Hold it out, navel up and in, ass tight, third eye. That's really good. You can release your legs out from underneath you and you can just practice tightening your buttocks. You can see as I wink my buttocks, my whole pelvis moves. Hoop, hoop. Yeah, oh yeah, oh, that's it, yeah. You see, you can hold it tight, hold the pelvis tight. Yeah, you can even squeeze the legs together here too. That's nice. You'll feel that in your low back. You're gonna have to hug one leg in, hug, ooh, 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 ooh. Your low back, you'll feel it sensitive. There you go. Oh, that's good. And then you can release your legs out. You can lie down your back. You know, when people lie down, they might like a block behind the head. This is a bit much for me, but it keeps my chin down. This the first thing that really problem is this lack here. It's disconnect. Now, that's too much. See, my neck is too open. I have to bring my head down. And a smaller block will help bring my head down, or a folded blanket. Those are really good things too. And then when you rest, can you tighten it, let it go, tighten, let it go. I know a lot of you cannot sleep on your backs. And you could start with your knees bent. This is also. And really, if you wanted to really help things, we all sleep on our sides. That's all right. It's not ideal, but it's all right. Better would be is to throw a pillow underneath your legs and let yourself sleep like this. Or let yourself sleep out. Again, maybe a light little pillow would be nice. You are a powerful, regenerative organism. Your body is amazing in its ability to heal. When you let your spirit move your breath through your body, and your spirit holds healing thoughts and intentions, it holds laughter and joy and love in its breath, in its intention, which comes to be your breath, which comes to be your being. And there you go.